Many clients come to me and ask me, Jayant, can you handle my Facebook ad? It's not converting well. I have just hired a great videographer. The video is running well. People are watching, but nobody is purchasing my product. When I visit their landing pages, I realized that the traffic they wanted me to handle was not their biggest problem. Their biggest problems are something else that we are going to discuss in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here are three biggest reasons why landing pages failed. Number one, the offer. Offer is something like a deal, right? You go to a marketplace, you get something, you bargain, you haggle on the prices, then you come back to one price that you both agree on, and you ask them to give something on top, just to like sweeten the pot. It's like going to that Golgappa stand and asking for that one sukha towards the end, right? That's the deal, that's the offer. Now that happens in a marketplace, that happens in the real world, but when it comes to the online world, the digital world, how do you give them an offer? What do you do to increase the perceived value of the product? Many people I see, they just simply slap in the price tag and expect people to buy it. We as human beings always want more value than the money that we have provided, and that makes sense. Now, how do you do this? If I give you an example of an e-commerce page, discount is a great offer, 20% off, 30% off. Buy now, pay later, that's an offer, reduces the risk. Bundles are an offer. Buy one for 300 rupees, buy three for 600 rupees and save 300 rupees. That's an offer. Discount on subscription, that's an offer. My favorite kind of offer is increasing the perceived value of a product by adding something more, adding another product that does not cost us a single more penny or single more rupee to invest, but it does enhance the customer experience. Most of the time, it is an info product. It can be an ebook. It can be an app that you developed. It can be, let's say, a training program, a coaching, a course, or a consulting, a free consulting. Giving your customer what they want without an additional cost to yourself using info product or digital products helps you increase the perceived value of that product, and that is an incredible offer in itself. Even if you don't have the best landing page in the world, even if you don't have the best copy in the world, you will still convert mind-blowingly well if you have a great offer in place. The second biggest reason why people don't convert in your landing page is your design. Design matters a lot because it's the first instance where your customer connects with your website. That's where he or she gets to know you. Many times I visit a particular, let's say, an e-commerce store, I would see a home button on top, an about button, a contact us button, a shipping policy, privacy policy, all those are in the footer and in the header. On top of it, there will be a card button, there will be offers button, there will be sales button, like so many clickable buttons in the navigation bar. On top of it, there is an add to cart icon, then there is a menu icon, and in the product page, you see like share this on social media, then there is upsells and cross sells. When you give so many opportunities of distraction to your customer, guess what happens? The customer gets distracted. That's the worst thing that can happen. You have paid your blood money to get that customer into your landing page, and guess what happens? Customer clicks on, let's say, your about page and goes there and never comes back. You have to realize that these people, they are literally 3 seconds away from watching cute cat videos on the Facebook, and you have paid Facebook to bring them back into your landing page. Now it's the job of your landing page to make them stay there for more. So it has to be very, very distraction free. And you might ask, see, Jayant, if we are making it distraction free, if we are removing all those buttons, if you are removing, let's say, the upsells and cross sells, without the legal pages, you can have the legal pages in the footer. But many people ask that if I remove the upsells and cross sells, our average order value will reduce. That is exactly why you need to leverage the power of funnels. The essential goal is you have one single landing page dedicated for one single product. Every single product that you have, you can have a dedicated landing page, and all those landing pages can be connected through a one-click upsell. One-click upsells mean once the customer clicks on the yes button, the money gets automatically deducted. And this is a very powerful method because you have your customer's consent. And on top of it, customer is clicking yes. So you don't have to charge their card again and again. You don't have to send an OTP again because the customer has given you his permission. That's why I recommend using funnels for pretty much everything. You can build one on Shopify, you can build one on WordPress, but ultimately the concept is that you make your landing page very distraction free, so that your customer does not have the chance to navigate anywhere else and they only focus on the offer that you provide, the call to action button that you have, and the copy that you write. And that brings me to the third point why landing pages fail. They write a very boring copy. And let's be honest, most people write just about themselves, which is not really what a customer wants. Customer really doesn't care about what you are and who you are or what are you selling. Customer does not even care about the product. Customer cares about the end goal of a product. Let's say you are selling a painting, right? Why does the customer want to buy a painting? He likes it? No. That's not how it works. He thinks that if he hangs the painting in his living room, his guests are going to come and they are going to appreciate it. Customer is probably looking forward to having a better relationship with their guests or something else. You need to highlight that in the copy. This concept of talking about ourselves, it might work for very big brand, all these household brands. Honestly, people don't really care what they have to offer. They just know the brand. They know that this particular product is really good, this is trustworthy, and they buy it. But when you are starting out, people don't know about you. How do you expect to get any results out of it? You need to give people what exactly they want, and you need to mention that in your copy. You need to address every single question in their mind, add that into the copy. You need to give the best offer possible, build scarcity, build urgency to help them click on the add to cart, buy button, or whatever call to action you have. I hope that helps you out. Comment value if you have received some value out of this call. Let me know how my room looks like. I do miss my bookshelf and my Pikachu. I am planning to, bring in a bookshelf in my, I am planning to keep a bookshelf in my background and make it all better. But as of now, we don't have such stuff in here. So let's adjust. And yeah, what do you think about the video? Let me know in the comments, and like, share, subscribe, whatever the kids say these days.